the convictions and sentences awarded by the special court in the 2008 Ahmedabad serial blast case. The High Court confirmed the death penalty for 8 convicts and upheld life imprisonment for 7 others, bringing legal closure to a case that shook the nation nearly 2 decades ago. The verdict was delivered by a division bench of Justice A.Y. Kokje and Justice Sameer, which dismissed all the appeals filed by the convicted persons against the special court's 2022 judgment. The High Court also accepted the Gujarat government's plea seeking confirmation of the death sentences awarded by the trial court. Apart from upholding the sentences, the High Court directed the Gujarat government to provide compensation to the victims and their families. The court ordered compensation of rupees 10 lakh to the families of each of the 56 people who lost their lives in the blast. Victims who suffered grievous injuries will receive rupees 5 lakh each, while those with simple injuries will be paid rupees 1 lakh. Well, the compensation has been directed to be disbursed by March 31, 2027. The Ahmedabad serial blast took place on July 26, 2008 when 21 coordinated bomb explosions ripped through 20 different locations across the city within a span of nearly 70 minutes. The serial blast targeted crowded public places, including buses, markets and hospitals, causing widespread panic and devastation. Several hospitals treating blast victims were also targeted, making it one of the most horrifying terror attacks witnessed in the nation. The explosions claimed that the lives of 56 people and left more than 200 others injured, with official records placing the number of injured at over 246. 2 days later, several live bombs were also recovered from Surat, preventing another major tragedy. The investigation into the attacks was carried out by the Ahmedabad crime branch, which named more than 100 people as accused. Ultimately, 78 individuals faced trial after multiple cases were merged into a single proceedings. The trial combined 35 criminal cases, including 20 FIRs registered in Ahmedabad and 15 FIRs from Surat relating to unexploded bombs. Well, in February 2022, after one of the longest terror trials in India, the special court convicted 49 accused while acquitting 28 others. The trial court described the case as falling under the rarest of rare category and awarded the death penalty to 38 convicts while sentencing 11 others to imprisonment for the remainder of their lives. The prosecution had argued that the accused were members of the banned Students Islamic Movement of India, or also known as SIMI, who later formed the terror outfit Indian Mujahideen. Among those convicted was former SIMI leader Sardar Nagori, along with several associates from different states including Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and UP. According to the investigators, the accused planned and executed the coordinated attacks as part of a larger terrorist conspiracy. Emails sent shortly before the blast claimed responsibility in the name of Indian Mujahideen and described the attack as revenge for the 2002 post-Godhra violence in Gujarat. The convicts were found guilty under multiple provisions of the Indian Penal Code, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, the Explosive Substances Act and the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act. Charges included murder, attempted murder, criminal conspiracy, sedition, attempting to wage war against the nation, and participation in terrorist activities. The trial itself was massive in scale. The prosecution examined 1,163 witnesses before 9 different judges over several years. 26 key witnesses were provided protection and their identities were kept confidential due to the security concerns. The court also relied on forensic evidence, witness testimonies, digital records and other documentary evidence while delivering its verdict. And with today's judgment, the Gujarat High Court has reaffirmed the trial court's findings and upheld all the convictions and punishments awarded in the case. And the ruling is being seen as one of the most significant judgments in India's fighting against terrorism, bringing justice to the victims and their families after nearly 18 years of legal proceedings. The verdict also reinforces the judiciary's stand against acts of terrorism while ensuring compensation for all those who suffered irreparable loss in one of the country's most devastating serial bomb attacks.
Honorable High Court has pronounced the judgment in confirmation case of bomb blast cases, and Honorable Court has allowed the confirmation case, that is the order pronounced by the Honorable High Court,
So what is the judgment given today by the Gujarat High Court after the special court judgment?
Special court has awarded the sentence, that is 38 people were sentenced to death and 11 people were imprisonment for life, and that is the order of trial court, and that order, that appeals are dismissed by the division bench of Gujarat High Court, and the confirmation case is allowed by the Honorable Gujarat High Court division bench.
So what is the compensation?
Compensation amount is 10 lakh rupees to the person who died due to incidents, and 5 lakhs rupees to the injured person, and 1 lakh to the person who is not hurt, simple injury to that people.
That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.